Water surged through the village at midnight, swallowing homes in seconds. 12-year-old Istvan, barefoot and shivering, clung to the rafters as the Danube's floodwaters tore his family's house apart. When the roof collapsed, Istvan was swept into the icy current, fighting exhaustion and panic as debris battered him. Just as he began to sink, he spotted a floating tree trunk and mustered his last strength to grab on. Drifting for hours, he was finally pulled from the wreckage by rescuers. Istvan later said, "Hope is the strongest raft. It kept me afloat when nothing else could."